Just only this capacitor stopped everything. The input voltage are dropped. When we connect to the board, the supply is 4.3 volt. That's not good sign. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have TigerStar G-555 satellite receiver. HDMI output not turning on. Let's fix it. I connected power. There is no indication. If I turn it on, there is no response. Remote is working good. Check DC voltage. $12.49. There is small red light. Small red light, but not turning on. Sometimes this light is visible, sometimes no. This time no light. Let's open it. Yes, its USB port is damaged. Inner plastic grommet of this USB port is damaged. We will replace it. No visible damage sign here. $12.48. The input voltage are dropped. When we connect to the board, the supply is 4.3 volt. That's not good sign. If there is short circuit, it will drop to 0, or maybe it will fluctuate. But in this condition, it is looking like the power supply is damaged. The adapter is not good. I disconnected. The supply is 12.5 volt, but when we connect it, $4.4, that means problem not here, problem in the adapter. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to open it, because here are live voltage. Take care for the safety. Verify voltage on this capacitor. It is discharged. Okay, good. I will connect power using series lamp and we will monitor the voltage on bulk capacitor, smoothing capacitor, that is primary side main DC capacitor. And then we will verify voltage on output capacitors, these two capacitors. First we will verify voltage without load. 335 volt. .5 volt without load. Connected load. Input voltage 334, good. Output voltage 4.3. With load the voltage are dropped. This is the problem. .470 microfarad, 16 volt. This capacitor is showing 460. After passage of time, its ESR value increases. So it cannot store the charge. It will show capacitance on multimeter, but it will not work properly. If you have ESR meter, that time you will verify ESR, equivalent series resistance of the capacitor, instead of testing capacitance. ESR value must be low. This capacitor 47 microfarad 25 volt. It is showing 19 microfarad. That is not good reading. It is showing 18 microfarad. That means we need to replace this capacitor. I will use 47 microfarad 50 volt. Now I replaced VCC capacitor and we will check it now. Yes, it is now turned on. ये काम करना शुरू कर दिया. Just after replacing one capacitor. That means these two capacitors are also good. Just only one capacitor was making problem. Now I will pack it up. I will replace USB connector as well. Just only this capacitor stopped everything. LNB voltage are good. USB voltage good. This regulator good. 5 volt regulator good. Input voltage good. 3.3 regulator good. 1.2 volt good. Yes, now it's powered on. USB voltage are good. LNB voltage are good. The problem was this charger. Now it is working good. If you enjoyed this process, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.